I'm eating my Coco Crunch. Much swimming. Kasi mainit. Or later na lang. After lunch. Hi, where are you going? Beach. No, sa baba lang tayo ng condo. We're not going to beach. Heart daw. Heart. Oh. You're so arty. Like this, oh. Go. Ay, ang galing nga. Ang galing nga. Ang galing nga. There you go. Go. Hindi, papadyak mo pa. Parang mermaid. Like this, oh. Parang... What? Oh, naku, ganun ba yung hands, oh? Are you going? Shark? Where's the shark? Here? Swim pa si Kuhako siya. Hindi pag-play pa. Ayun siya. Yung playmate niya umahon na. gamit ko. Since birth is Nivea. Mas medyo gusto ko lang yung tapos na. Hi! And this one is for my lips. Dermaid lip therapy ba? Kasi sobrang dry yung lips ko. To the point na nagsusugat na siya. After nito, magluluto na ako ng dinner na. Kasi wala pa naman si JP. Nasa ano pa. Nasa baba pa kasi. May basketball. Mag-ano lang. Flash on lang ako ng konti. Ganda na itong blusher na to kasi ayun no, para ka lang ano, drunk blush, gano'n. Balok. Ito sobra. Bigay ito ni JP. Nili niya rin sa salad.
Hey! Coke ka muna.
Hoy, Jun! Kumusta ang negosyo? Ito, wala pa sa pondo.
Okay.
Gets kita, pero wala mo simple lang. May bangko na nandyan, para sa iyo, ang iyong dagdag pondo sa negosyo. Market
dami
yung
ka.
negosyo, kasi weekly, kaya makawa.
May garlic.
Ayos na lang, madali kita. Makikita yung bundle branches.
May garlic?
Isa po negosyo.
Nagulong ako sa video network ka. Dagdag po sa negosyo. Ngayon, sumakses na. Dahil lang din ako.
Kuha ako, gusto sunduin yung papa niya sa baba. Basketball na. Hungry na daw kasi siya. Let's undo your papa. Hungry na daw kasi siya. Tapos wala pa yung papa niya. Kaya, sabi niya, sunduin na yung papa niya. Naloka na naman si JP kasi sinundo na naman namin siya. Sinundo niya na yung papa niya.
Yes, basketball.
Yes, basketball. Yes, playground. What?
Playground, yes, basketball.
Yes, playground. What? This one. What's this? No, that's muscle. Tahong. Say tahong. 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 It's tahong. Tahong. Say it again. Say it again. Tahong. Very good. You're so arty. Tahong. What? Wait. Can I put here? Lemon and Sprite. Let's taste. Yummy. Okay, that's it now.
Yes. Eat. First time puppy. Oh, hey, Papa. Have a good day. Let's say bye.
That's it now.
Where's mine?
Good morning. Say good morning. Morning, everyone. Let's eat breakfast now. Tatlo tayo mag-eat ng breakfast. Okay. Kiss tayo dito. Kiss. Soccer day today. But first, magla-landers muna kami. What? You want to play? Or later after natin mag-grocery, okay? Mag-eat muna tayo.
tsura na.
Wow, you like it?
Ayan.
Lagkit ng kanin niya. Diba?
Secret Dad, guys.
Kwaku! Sorry po. I said sit down here. Sit down here now.
Pokemon!
Ethan! Release it! Kanino po yan?
Go, go, Kwaku!
Go Kwaku! Go Kwaku! Hi. Say good morning. Good morning, friends. I just woke up. Oh my god. Gagawa kami ng breakfast. Pero I think nag-cook na si Jason. So, good morning, guys. Good morning. Ganda na ng weather today. Look. Good morning. Wala naman kaming errands today kasi kahapon nag-soccer na si kahapon. And sa Saturday and Sunday pa yung taekwondo. Ganda ng weather today. So, magbe-breakfast lang kami. Nag-cook naman ako. You know what, guys? Laging may cake sa rep namin. Never nawalan ng cake kasi laging in-order ni tita ng mother-in-law kasi. So, what? There, I'll give it a book. Super favorite ni Kuwako ang cake. As in. Never pwedeng wala some spoon.
Seafood gas here.
Ay, later darating na yung sa Topia mo. Order mo mamala. Get some spoon.
Wait. There's this.
How can you eat your cake? Get your spoon. Yeah.
This corn.
Yeah.
Where
are we going? Huh?
Auntie.
No, we're going to Palengke. We're going to get the parcel. Northern Tita. Super na shopaholic si Tita. Online shopaholic si Mama lang. Ang dami na yung order na si Sophia. Super spoiled with love si Tita po siya. Super love yan ni Mama lang. Right? There. Get your parcel. Yeah. Here. A picture ka, picture. Smile! Get na namin yung parcel ko ha. Here. Ang dami in order. Siguro 4 na parcel to. Ano to? Mga Sotopia. Mga bago niyang kina-aadikan. Una na-addict siya sa Demon Hunter. Ayun yung mga pinag-order ng mamala niya. Ngayon naman Sotopia. Ayun naman yung lagi niyang wini-wish. Sa mamala niya at sa yoyo niya. Ayan, in-order siya. Ang dami.